Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to change your nickname in the Apple Games app on iOS 26 on your iPhone and iPad. In iOS 26, Apple has spiced up the gaming experience with a brand new Apple Games app, and one of the coolest features is the ability to personalize your profile by changing your nickname. So whether you want a fun new gamer tag or simply want to update an old one, Apple makes it pretty easy to customize your identity in the gaming world. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily change your nickname in the Apple Games app on your iPhone and iPad. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Apple Games app on your iPhone or iPad. And once you are in the game, you have to tap on your profile located at the top right. And then you have to tap on the Edit Profile button. After that, you have to tap on the nickname text field, and then you have to type in your new nickname. And once you have entered your new nickname, make sure to tap on the tick mark located at the top right corner of the screen, and you're all set. Changing your nickname in the Apple Games app on iOS 26 is simple and lets you express your personality while gaming. So whether you are competing with friends or just climbing the leaderboards, your nickname will be front and center. So feel free to update it anytime as your gaming style evolves. Happy gaming, and I'll catch you up in the next one.